Hey Song,
Hey,
where are we going?
to a boat.
We are on a boat.
We're going to another boat.
What kind of boat?
A bigger boat.
Okay, why?
Because we are going to another island.
There's no more details.
Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo Coya, del Inti hermano y de la Aymara, de la Aymara, la Aymara. Yo misma me guío a la libertad. El Aymara, la Aymara, un indio. Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo Coya, del Inti hermano y de la Aymara, de la Aymara, la Aymara. Un indio me guía a la libertad. El Aymara, yo misma me guío a la libertad. José Gabriel, el cóndor canqui, el gran Tupaki, es Tupac Amaro, el gran Tupac, que son mis hermanos cordilleranos.
Morning guys. How's your grass? Now we are on one of the main islands of Komodo and we are gonna see Komodo dragons. Group is all ready. And some people had to run back because they realized they were wearing red clothes. I told them that's because the dragons go after blood and you can't wear red clothes. But I'm actually not quite sure if it's true. Well, we will see.
holiday.
Hey, so where are we?
We're on the beach. We are swimming
And
and going on the water
because it's pink beach.
because we've been taken here.
Hi, so
What did you say?
where are we?
We are on the pink beach, white beach with a hue of pink.
Yeah, we can just show it. So this is a coral that is red. You see it here. Beautiful. It's just a skeleton. And these guys get smushed into little pieces and I run a bit. And then they become into this beautiful pink thing. Now the sunlight is obviously just gone. You see. But there's like a pink layer all over. Take these. And this is why they're called the pink beaches. Makes sense. Hello, trash deer. I found the cup noodles. Komodo Islands. Okay, apparently it's like perceived 26 degrees on the weather app, and Jean is teasing me because I put on a jacket and found it very comfortable.
The
Look at
same
this
dude
asshole.
that is naked at 18 degrees. He puts on a jacket at 25.
But it's so pleasant and it's kind of fresh. It was quite windy also earlier.